G4's new thermal scanning technology is perfect for schools, colleges, medical institutions, industrial and retail businesses. Simply step in front of the camera to have your temperature measured.
Temperature is fine. Next one.
Using a German thermal sensor, Korean DSP, and Japanese image sensor, G4 guarantees no government-banned components in our solution. Furthermore, our solution avoids close contact, cross-contamination, and no revealing thermogram imagery. The kit includes everything you need for a quick and easy installation. Set the tripod to the proper height, attach the monitor, connect the camera, and start scanning.
Temperature is fine. The temperature is too high. Please check again.
Now available at G4Direct.com or call your dedicated sales representative at 1-800-814-4364.